How do you make money with Amazon as an affiliate? There is no doubt that Amazon.com is a money-making monster, not only for its founder, but for everyone involved. Did you know that basically everyone with a computer and an internet connection can make money with Amazon? Well, yes. Amazon.com has a wide variety of options when it comes to using its platform as a money-printing machine. You can become an Amazon seller, you can offer your services, you can sell your own apps, and self-publish your books or music. But there is a more novel approach to money-making offered by Amazon to make what is known as a passive income for yourself. And that is by becoming an Amazon affiliate, which will allow you to make money off selling stuff on Amazon without having to stock products of your own. What is an Amazon affiliate? To understand what an Amazon affiliate is, you need to learn what affiliate marketing is first. And affiliate marketing is nothing but promoting products sold by others in order to drive a sale and earn money by commission. In this case, you will be earning money off of products being sold on the Amazon marketplace. How do you become an Amazon affiliate? Becoming an Amazon affiliate is as simple as going to the Amazon homepage and logging into your Amazon account, then scrolling all the way down to the Make Money with Us section and clicking on Become an Affiliate. How do you make money with Amazon as an affiliate? To make money with Amazon as an affiliate, you will simply have to promote products from the Amazon marketplace. And with over 1 million products available, it should not be hard to find a good product and a ready-to-buy audience for it. And there are lots and lots of product categories that you can promote, from video games to televisions, from PC components to toys and jewelry. What's more, you will be able to promote stuff from broader categories such as Amazon gift cards, digital music, and Amazon devices, with commissions ranging from as low as 4% to as high as 10% depending on the category. Now, how do you promote these items to make money? The answer to that is you have to have multiple channels to promote your offers from, the most popular being affiliate websites, but you can easily use social media pages as well. You can link to any Amazon product by simply grabbing the item URL from Amazon itself, whether from your website or by way of Facebook or Twitter updates, to give you an example. You can also use customized product links to show product information on your affiliate sites, as well as stylish graphical banners. Another stylish and practical way to monetize your Amazon-oriented content are the A-stores, which are simple yet elegant product feature websites to earn affiliate commissions the easiest way. You will only need to offer value to your referrals by creating product-oriented content to guide people into making informed purchasing decisions.